I started saying I could go ahead and paint this bracket, but I don't want to paint it until I get everything ready. And I think what I'm going to do is put this onto that and then put the alternator onto it and then get that belt. Let's see how close that belt comes to fitting it, and then I'm pretty sure it's just a little too short. And then take it over to the car store, or I might try the tractor store, which is closer, and see if they can give me a belt that's just a little bit longer. That'd be good. Yeah, I don't want to touch you because you are hot. Yes, you are. You are hot. Yes, you are. Guess I could go ahead and spray some paint on it, even though it's hot. No, I really can't touch it. Oops. Think about that, did I? Apparently not. Yeah, I got a bad habit of not being able to leave things alone. So I could weld it right here too, but if I did, it'd be difficult to get it on and off. As it is, with it being in two pieces like this, pretty easy to get this all in place. And once I do, see, a while ago that wiggled, it's not wiggling now, it's absolutely sturdy. So, I'm going to see if I can snug it up a little bit, and then I'm going to put the I'm going to put the alternator back on there. And we'll get that belt, see how close it goes to it to being a fit. And then we'll run over to the parts store. I might have said that backwards. Sometimes I don't listen to myself talk and I don't realize when I just said something that didn't make sense. And that may have just happened. If it did, y'all won't tell Miss Johnson, my school teacher, because she's hard on me enough as it is. If she found out I'm misspeaking in public, she'll paddle my hand with a ruler. That hurts pretty good. That don't hurt as bad as when Coach Sykes paddles you with that big mean stick thing he's got, but it still hurts. Okay. Alright, now this is the belt that's too long, but I use it to kind of look at the alignment of the three pulleys. So, bottom pulley, top pulley, and this pulley are all three aligned pretty good. I need that to go that much more. I'll see that. I'm going to get the camera and take a picture of that and take it with me to the parts store and ask the parts guy what he's got that's close. I'll stop y'all while I go get my camera.